Most people never think about what's happening behind their walls. You wake up in the morning, turn on the tap, and water flows. You take a shower, wash your face, brush your teeth, flush the toilet, wash dishes, clean clothes. Everything works so smoothly that it feels automatic. But none of it is automatic. It is all happening because a hidden system is working non-stop inside your building. Pipes are always there, always working, always under pressure, yet almost completely ignored. They don't make noise when they are healthy. They don't ask for attention. They only speak when something is already wrong. Water does not magically appear in your house. It begins its journey far away. From rivers, lakes, underground aquifers, or reservoirs, water is treated, filtered, and pushed through large distribution pipes. Those pipes run under roads, across cities, and into neighborhoods. By the time water reaches your home, it has already traveled a long distance. Once water enters your building, it becomes your responsibility. From that point, the public system ends, and your private plumbing system begins. What happens inside your walls determines whether that water stays clean, safe, and reliable. Inside the walls, pipes spread in all directions. Some carry cold water directly from the main supply. Some carry hot water from heaters. Others carry wastewater away to the sewer or septic system. There are also vent pipes that allow air to move, keeping pressure balanced. Every pipe has a role, and when one fails, the whole system feels it. Inside these pipes, change starts immediately. Water is never just water. It carries minerals, gases, and tiny particles. In areas with hard water, minerals like calcium and magnesium slowly stick to the inside of pipes. At first, the layer is thin. You won't notice anything. But year after year, that layer grows thicker. The inside diameter of the pipe becomes smaller. Water pressure drops. Flow becomes weak. Many people change taps or pumps, not realizing the real problem is hidden deep inside the pipe. Metal pipes have their own secret life. Galvanized steel and iron pipes slowly react with water and oxygen. Corrosion starts from the inside, not the outside. Rust flakes break loose and travel with the water. That's why sometimes water looks brown or reddish. It's not dirt from the source. It's your pipe breaking down from within. Even copper pipes, which are known for durability, are not invincible. Acidic water can slowly eat away the metal, creating tiny pinhole leaks. These leaks don't flood immediately. They spray fine mist into walls, soaking concrete, wood, and paint. Damage spreads silently for months or years before anyone notices. Then there is something most people never hear about: biofilm. Inside pipes, especially where water doesn't flow often, a thin slimy layer forms. This layer becomes a perfect environment for bacteria to live and multiply. Pipes that are rarely used, dead-end lines, or old installations can become breeding grounds. From the outside, everything looks clean. Inside, the story is different. Drain pipes carry a different kind of history. Every time you wash dishes, grease goes down the sink. While it's hot, it looks harmless. Inside the pipe, it cools and sticks to the walls. Soap, food particles, hair, and dirt join it. Slowly, the pipe becomes narrower. Drainage slows down. Smells appear. One day, the blockage becomes complete. People think it happened suddenly, but the blockage was being built over years. The type of pipe material makes a huge difference. Old galvanized pipes were once considered strong and reliable, but they age badly. Plastic pipes don't rust, but they are sensitive to heat, sunlight, and poor installation. PPR pipes can fail if overheated. PVC pipes can crack if poorly supported. Cast iron pipes reduce noise but corrode heavily with time. Every material tells a story, and every mistake during installation shortens the life of the system. Pressure is another silent enemy. High water pressure puts constant stress on joints and fittings. Temperature changes make pipes expand and contract every day. Hot water lines suffer more stress than cold ones. Over time, this movement weakens connections. Many leaks start so small that you can't see them. But water never stops. A small leak today becomes a big repair tomorrow. Poor plumbing affects more than buildings. It affects health. Dirty or corroded pipes can contaminate drinking water. This can cause stomach problems, skin irritation, and long-term exposure to harmful metals. Children and elderly people are especially vulnerable. Clean water does not depend only on treatment plants. It depends on what happens inside your walls. Pipes always give warnings before they fail. Low water pressure, strange noises, bad smells, slow drainage, discolored water. These are not normal conditions. They are signals. Ignoring them is expensive. Good plumbing is not about waiting for emergencies. It's about understanding systems, choosing the right materials, installing them correctly, and maintaining them regularly. A professional plumber doesn't just fix problems. They prevent them. Pipes may be hidden, but they support your entire daily life. They protect your health, your comfort, and your property. When you understand what's happening inside your walls, plumbing stops being invisible. It becomes something you respect. And when you respect your pipes, they serve you quietly for many years without surprises.